So if you're looking for curtains for your space, but you're not finding what you need in the regular, pre-made, store-bought varieties, what do you do? I'm Doug Walker. Welcome to the Roominess Design Files. Custom curtains or drapes can make your rooms really pop, and they're a great way to really up your decor in your space, especially if you have windows that are different sizes and different shapes. Now, doing that, though, is somewhat of a challenge. What you're really looking for, in terms of who can help you, is a drapery workroom. These are places where they actually make custom drapes, and so you search for that in your area and go and visit the store and see what you can find out there. Now, a workroom may or may not have someone who can actually design window treatments for you. So if you have a good idea of what you want, then visiting a workroom might be a good first step. If you have a lot of different size windows or specialty things that need to happen in your space, you might want to consider talking to an interior designer first. To up your interior decor game or to help spread the word, hit the share and subscribe buttons below. Thanks for watching.